Today you're going to practice remixing somebody else's project and adding to it. So here's my practice sample of a snow globe. And when it loads, you can see when you click the flag. Basically, it just has two of my Bitmojis and it's just switching back and forth between the two. That's it. It's just switching back and forth between my two Bitmojis. I'm going to stop the music. I'm going to click this button to remix it. So you're making your own copy of it now. All right, so let's rename this one your name. Okay, so basically, you don't want to change anything except for this me sprite. That's the only thing you want to change is the me sprite. So you're going to click on costumes. So right now there are 4 costumes. You're going to replace this one and this one in a particular order. But first, let's go find some pictures. So I'm going to go to the internet and I'm just going to snowy mountain. Sure. I'm actually looking for more like a snowy mountain cabin. Just because I need something interesting. I'm going to search for images. All right, that one's pretty. So I'm going to click it. 2 fingers to right click. Save image as. Make sure it's saving as a JPEG. Remember the .jpg is right there. Make sure it's saving as a JPEG. We're good. And I'm going to go search for Disneyland because I really wish I was there right now, but that's another story. So I like this picture of the castle, so I'm going to go with it. And when I right click, save image as, and save it as a WebP. That's not going to work, so I have to find a different picture. Let's go with this one. Again, right click, save image as. That one saved it as a JPEG. We're good. So I'm going to go back to scratch. All right, so I'm going to delete this one first. So I'm going to click delete. I'm going to add the cat and choose add a costume. And I'm going to upload a costume. And it really doesn't matter if I start with the Sleeping Beauty or the cabin one. Just pick one to click open. Again, I read online some reason why they had to be in a particular order, and I don't remember what that order is and why. That's why I'm just following the pattern here. And then I'm going to add the other, whoops, not that one. Sorry. I do that every time, I think. I'm going to go back to the costume and upload a costume is what I meant. And this time we're getting the cabin. So previously, the name of the files I had were like 2020A and 2020B. So we're going to need to tell Scratch that those are no longer the names of the files. They're now OCR and whatever this one is called. What the heck just happened? I don't know what happened there. Sorry. Oh, it's still importing. Give it a second. There we go. Okay, so this one's OCR and this one's 1492. That'll be important right now. So instead of costumes, we're going to go back to code. So originally it was looking for my file called 2020B. I'm going to change that to Sleeping Beauty. I'm going to change that switch costume to that number there. Now, I don't like these last 2 things here, so I'm just going to dump them. And I don't need it to wait 1 second, so I'm going to dump it as well. All right, let's see what I have. So hit the play button. That's it. So again, prove to me that you were able to make this copy. So hit the Save Now button, share it, and give me the link to yours, please.